These deficiencies are why you're having memory issues. In fact, there's been a recent study that came out that showed that especially older adults, when they lacked taking specific things such as flavonols, they started to see a decline in their memory retention, but also having more memory loss. But they took that same group, when they started to replenish flavonols, they started to see an improvement in their memory retention and not so much on their memory loss issues. Now, flavonols come from things like vegetables, berries, but you can also supplement it. But increasing and focusing on those things, especially as you're older, can go a long way in improving your memory issues. But the biggest thing over the past 10 years working with adults with memory and focus issues is that I have found that 35% are low in this key nutrient that specifically targets memory, and that is choline. Choline helps improve memory, it helps build memory retention, and also preventing memory loss. And so when we see this starting to decline, we'll supplement phosphatidylcholine, and if we see it's deficient, we'll start seeing memory starting to improve in our patients. Another really big one that I find that roughly about 25 to even 30% of the people that we do test is deficient in serine. Now, serine is also a big contributing factor when it comes to memory. And so you can supplement something like phosphatidylserine to help improve your memory if you're deficient in this area. Now, if you don't want to have to write all this down and you want the full guide as far as what supplements, what kind of things to help improve your memory and my protocols behind that, go ahead and download my ADHD boosting memory protocol in the description below. Now, there's been also some other recent studies that have been fascinating, and there's been also a lot of hype around this, and I get this question asked a lot, is that they found, especially with older adults, when it came to memory issues, is that lithium levels started to decline, especially with people with Alzheimer's disease and dementia, and even early stages of it, that they found that their lithium levels were decreased. And so they found that when they would use things like natural lithium and supplementing that and utilizing that, this helped prevent that, but also to help improve memory retention. And probably the biggest one that you will see research behind when it came to memory issues. In fact, they overlooked this for a long period of time. They thought it just had to deal with getting older, is vitamin B12. So they used to think that, like, okay, that's just natural. When you get older, your vitamin B12 levels go low. But they found that there was a correlation where low vitamin B12 levels had to do with also decline in memory retention and also retaining your memories. And so this is definitely a good one to check to see, okay, am I low in vitamin B12? And if you are, you should definitely be supplementing that one. And another vitamin B, which is vitamin B6, has to do with more of the neurochemical stuff that has to deal with memory, such as like dopamine and also ethylamine has to do with memory, is specifically vitamin B6 is an ingredient to help build those specific neurotransmitters that help with memory recall. Now, like I said before, if you don't have to write this all down and you want the full guide, just go ahead and download my ADHD boosting memory protocol in the description below. Now, some other really ones that also are overlooked when it comes to memory, and this is a really big one, is iron. Now, you don't have to be anemic, but if you're just slightly deficient in iron, this can be a contributing factor to your memory issues. Now, why? Is because iron is what helps build blood cells. It carries oxygen nutrients to the brain and throughout the body. And when that depletes, it also can contribute to memory issues. So I definitely would check your iron levels. Another big one to also check for is zinc. Zinc, when that is deficient, because zinc is also an ingredient that helps all the different types of neurotransmitters responsible for memory issues. So if that declines, that can also be a different contributing factor to your memory issues. And another really big one to also look out for, in fact, they found studies on this where it did correlate with people with Alzheimer's and dementia, is vitamin D. When they found that vitamin D levels were significantly low, they found that there was early stages of Alzheimer's disease and also dementia. So I would definitely test all three of those to make sure, are they deficient? And if they are, you should be definitely supplementing it and improving those levels if you're wanting to prevent any further memory issues down the road. So these are the deficiencies when it comes to memory issues, but how can you actually fix them? Well, you should watch this video next where I talk about the best types of nootropics and supplements that you can use to help improve your memory and focus issues, but more importantly, how to discover them first so you're utilizing the best supplements that are going to get you results. So watch this video next.